ready to bring your Photoshop creations to life. Let's dive into the world of animation, and you'll be surprised how easy it is. First, open Photoshop and go to the window menu at the top. Scroll down and select Timeline, and a panel will appear at the bottom of your screen. In the Timeline panel, click the button that says Create Frame Animation. This sets up our animation workspace. Next, create your first frame. This could be anything from a simple shape to a detailed illustration. Make sure each element of your animation is on a separate layer for easy editing. Now, duplicate your first frame by clicking the little square icon with the plus sign at the bottom of the Timeline panel on the new frame. Adjust your layers to create the next stage of your animation for our bouncing ball. That's moving the ball slightly down and to the right. Repeat this process, duplicate the frame, adjust your layers, and continue creating a sequence that brings your vision to life. The more frames you create, the smoother your animation will be. Use the Playback Controls at the bottom of the Timeline panel to preview your animation. Adjust the frame delay time using the drop-down menu under each frame to control the speed. Experiment and find what looks best. Once you're happy, go to File, then Export, and choose Save for Web Legacy. This will let you save your animation as a GIF, perfect for websites and social media. And that's it. You've created a simple animation in Photoshop. Experiment, have fun, and share your awesome animations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative tutorials.